'cause you are my lady.
Woo, welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, Love in the Gardens is a special Valentine's concert that is taking place on February 11th at Hope Gardens. And here to tell us more is the fabulous Heather Cummings-Williams. Hello,
Hi.
Heather. How are you?
How are you doing?
Good to see you.
Hi.
Long time. Welcome.
We're just going through some of the songs here. You Are My Lady, you know, and all them good things.
Rock me tonight.
Rock me tonight for old time's sake. Okay, but Love in the Gardens now, everybody's saying this is called the Singer's Paradise. Why?
It is called the Singer's Paradise because you can't get it any better than Freddie Jackson. I mean, you listen to his tracks and you go, wow. I mean, I was just listening to Rock Me Tonight about a week ago. Just, you know, we hear this song all the time, but on one particular day, I decided to just listen to it. And when I listened to how he delivered this track, this song, it was just amazing. The ad-libs, just how he, just everything, his delivery was just on point. And so it's a singer's paradise because, I mean, you can't get any better than this, you know? The performers who are going to be on stage are great singers. And so we just want everybody to come out and enjoy the show.
And sing. And sing along.
And sing along.
A while ago when Nisha asked why I had the urge to, you know, the Kabi meme, I had the urge to do this with the flyer. Like, obviously, like, look at these singers. Like,
Right.
So the thing is, Jamaicans have always been in love with love songs, right? So who can the patrons look forward to seeing on stage? Let's let the cat out of the bag.
Okay, so you can look forward to seeing Sanchez.
Sure.
All right, sure. Then there's Elaine. Say cho again.
Cho. Songstress.
Songstress Elaine.
That's right.
Then we will have the Digicel Rising Star winner, Ramon Watson.
Bad
Say cho again.
Bad singer.
Cha.
Again.
Cha.
Bad
Again.
singer. Bad singer for sure.
And then, of course, here we go again. Island Kings.
Bad singers too.
All right?
Bad singers.
And we mentioned Freddie Jackson, of course.
Yeah.
So, you know,
I
it's
love
going to
that.
be
I love the
amazing.
feeling and the vibe. And like you said, Jamaicans like to sing out. So, you know, so everybody in Jamaica is going to be there.
Yes.
Of course, you have different sections. Tell us a little bit about the sections that you're offering the patrons. Is there a sing out section? Is there a...
Sing out?
Yeah.
Tell
us about the section.
Well, you mean in terms of the tickets and the tiers and what?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you have general, then there is VIP, then there's VVIP. And for persons who really want to know what they get with what they buy, then you can just go to loveinthegardens.com for all the information on what you'll be getting with your ticket.
Awesome stuff.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I mean, all right, so Freddie Jackson is that thing, you know. But when you got Sanchez, Jamaicans will cross the rivers and the ocean for what Sanchez singing.
Jamaicans love Sanchez.
Yeah,
we don't get
man.
a
But
chance to
all
see him
around the
often.
world, Jamaicans all around the world,
Love him.
Sanchez is amazing. And he's just, how him sound on stage is how him sound on the record.
I love his vocals.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Wicked.
He's one of those rare people that it never miss.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
Yeah.
But I noticed that you have a couples deal, Heather. Tell us about that.
Look at you,
For
crazy.
the lovers, man.
Yes,
we
we have a couples deal for the lovers. So if you go to any of the ticket outlets right now, you and ask for the couples deal is $15,500,
Awesome.
right? So the ticket outlets as well, they're online, loveinthegardens.com. But I can just give you a little touch of where you can go to get your tickets. In Kingston, Devon-born Rubis, Halfway Tree. You can also go to Natrends Fashions in Central Plaza, and there's Sovereign Center. You can go to Armbands Plus. So then in Portmore, there's Genus Pharmacy. In Maypen, there's GP Mart. Then you go to Ocho Rios. You have Great House Pharmacy.
Right. Island wide.
Then we go to Mandeville. We have Neil's Auto Service and Auditorium.
I love that.
Yes, and in Montego Bay, we have Scotches Fairview. So that's the Scotches at Fairview in Montego Bay and the Texaco gas
Love
station.
that.
And just to put things into perspective, I mean, when 15,500 is just a toops over 100 US, you know. Where can you go to see Freddie Jackson and Sanchez on the same show for $100?
That's true.
Yeah, and that's for the general.
That's excellent.
For general tickets, all right?
Right.
Yeah. So go on out, rush out and get the couples deal. It's on now, and you can also visit the social
Media platforms.
Social media platforms.
Which is what? How do we find you on social media? What's the
TikTok,
handle?
Love in the Gardens. Everything is Love in the Gardens. So
Okay.
TikTok, Facebook, Instagram,
Love that.
Love in the Gardens.
What do you want your audience, participants, people coming, what do you want them to take away from this concert?
Love.
Love that you say. Love that you say.
Love.
And even if you're not nobody for love,
Yeah.
you can still walk away and sing with them.
It's just all about love, and we're just inviting people. Bring out your favorite person. That could be your daughter, your son, your father, your uncle. It's not about just couples, man and woman couple kind of thing. It's about bringing out somebody you love. It could be your grandmother, your grandfather. Just come out.
Come on.
And if you don't bring your daughter or your son, you can come to Love in the Gardens.
And you never know.
You might have one for care the next.
I like that. Okay,
we'll
I'll come then. I'll come.
Yeah,
I'll
you need to come.
Yeah,
We
that
have a
sounds
lot
really
of
good.
giveaways and surprises and
Yeah,
stuff.
man.
Beautiful.
And it's February 11th, Nisha. You have time.
I've time
You still
to
have,
try to.
You still have 9 days.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it
Can
work.
work out that thing.
Yeah, and of course we want to just send shout outs to the Sugar Rush Entertainment family, the promoters of this particular event, for putting it together, thinking about it.
And this is the first staging?
First staging.
Wow,
Awesome.
first of many.
First of many.
First of many. Excellent. And I love the fact that February love, I am here for it.
Yeah,
So
and I'll be your
beautiful.
host.
Yeah, hey, and
Hey.
stunning. I'll come and love it.
And everything is at Love in the Gardens JA, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, loveinthegardensja.com. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
Thank you so
All right.
much, Heather.
Okay.
Thanks
Thank you
for having me.
For gracing us with your beauty and your love. And I'm so excited.
And I'm excited to finally meet you too.
Aww, on
know
that
Craigie.
lovely note, on that lovely note, Daytime Live will be right back.